Guys, my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Outlook is Microsoft, a mail client application from Microsoft. It's a Microsoft application and it is a mail client application. Mail client application. Okay. What is the use? To send and receive emails, to check your regularly email kind of stuff, we can do with the Outlook. What is the use? To check mails, to compose the mails. You can compose the mails. Okay, you can send mails. You can receive mails using this application. Okay, it is a part of Microsoft Office suite. What is Microsoft Office suite? Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, okay, and Outlook, OneNote, okay, like this. Different Microsoft tools are there. This is PowerPoint, right? Excel is there. For example, this is an Excel, Word, and Outlook. These are all comes under Microsoft Office suite only. Okay. In Outlook, we receive mails and downloaded into the local machine, PC, system, anything you can use. Local system, local device means in my laptop, so mails will be downloaded. We can check mails anytime with or without internet. Downloaded mails with or without internet. To receive or send new mails, we need internet. Okay, so these are the few points to know what is Outlook. I will tell us stories, guys. There is a 2, 3, 4 stories are there. So one by one story. Guys got the point, at least got an idea what is an Outlook. So I will try to show my Outlook.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Outlook application. So okay. Then you can see all my received mails. So I can check the mails what I have received so far from earlier. Okay, for example, once the mail is downloaded, okay, once a mail is downloaded, So I can able to mails are stored in my local PC only. So because of that one, I can check my mails anytime with or without internet. So even I lost my internet connectivity. I lost my internet connectivity in between. So while I'm doing some work, I open my mails. I want to see my already received mail. So even if internet is disconnected, still I can able to see it. Why? Because of the mails are in my PC only. If in example, there is someone send me a new mail, no internet, I cannot receive the new mails, or I compose the new mail. So I am trying to create a new mail. So I can create a new mail. So no problem. So I will go to create a mail to send. For example, I want to send to Charan sir. Okay. I compose the mail. I put everything. So I click on a send. Without internet, you cannot send a mail. The mail will go to the your drafts. Mail stores in your drafts. If it is sent successfully, it will go to sent items. So it will mail go to your either outbox or a drafts. Mail go to outbox. So mail is sent, then it will go to the sent mail. Okay. So without internet, you cannot send or receive a new mails kind of stuff. But already downloaded mails, you can check it any time with or without internet. That's the main few points about Outlook. Okay. How these mails are communicating each other? How the mails are communicating each other? So first of all, there is a mail server. There is a mail server. So how to change the color inside filling and now fill. Okay, this is my mail server. Mail text box. Okay, so this is my mail server. So what is the server will do? It provide a service. What service mail server will provide? Mail service. Mail server provide mail service. What is mail service? Give the mail to clients, accept the mail from the clients. I am sending a mail, so mail server take the mail. Okay, so I want to access the mails. It will give the mails to the clients, and this mail server maintains mailboxes inside. For each user, it contains mailbox. For example, I have a user one. So user one mailbox. Okay. like this. What is a mailbox? It's nothing but a data storage. It stores mails of a user. Stores mails of a user. The mailbox contains that particular user's mails. Here is a client. Okay. So this user 1, client is user 1 and want to send a mail to user 2. Sending a mail to user 2. So what will happen? So what will happen? So why always same color? So blue color kind of stuff. We'll put another color. Color kind of stuff. Nothing is there. What it will do? It send to the mail server. Send to the mail server using a protocol called a SMTP protocol. Send mail with the protocol. So user 1 is telling destination is means my recipient is user 2, to address is user 2, from address user 1, sending a mail. So SMTP protocol means the mail server having a mail transfer agent, means that it is a kind of service. Understand what is a user is requesting. You want to send a mail or receive a mail based on the protocol. Yes, user 1 want to send a mail to user 2. It understand by the protocol, and what it will do, it drop the mail to the user 2 mailbox. It send the mail to user 2 mailbox. I said no, because of these colors, can't able to see things properly. Light color. And this arrow need a thick color. Maybe different color. Okay. Guys, understand where the mail is located now? In user to mailbox. One sending completed, one part completed in mail communication. So I send a mail to someone, so I have to tell to address, right? Then and I compose the mail. I click on send button. Mail go to mail server. Mail server see what you are, what is the request. It is for sending a mail. Then they put a mail into mailbox. User's mailbox to address mailbox. Up to here, okay?
Yes, sir.
This is my user 2. Is the user 2. User 2 want to check the mails. I want to see my mails. So I go to Outlook and I want to see my mails. What are I received mails? Maybe I will go to the Gmail account, my Gmail account. Then I will access my mails, right? So I'm asking my Gmail server or my 70s mail server. So I want to see my mails, right? So I send a request to see what are the mails in my mailbox. Okay. So for that one, the client has to send a request again to the mail server. Sending a request with a protocol either POP3 or IMAP version 4. Either of the protocol depends upon the server configuration and a client configuration. Okay, so I ask my mail server. I want to see my mails. I want to check my mails. I want to download my mails to my client PC. Okay, so request go to mail server. Mail server understand and give the mailbox content to the user. Give the mailbox content to the user. Okay, so now mails, user 2 can able to see what are the mails. You can able to check mails he got it. User 2 can able to check user 2 what are the mails he got it. So guys, here one more added, so it is, that is SMTP POP3 IMAP version 4. These are the protocols we use in the mail communication. SMTP protocol used for sending a mail. SMTP protocol, simple mail transfer protocol to send a mail and mails. Also, that SMTP server called a outgoing mails server. Okay, our SMTP mail server called as outgoing mail server. SMTP protocol used to send mail. POP3, 3 means version 3. To receive or retrieve mails is an incoming mail server. POP3 mail server is called as an incoming mail, so to retrieve a mail. IMAP version 4 means it's like a POP3 is a version 3, IMAP is version 4. Same as retrieving mails. Okay. Receiving or retrieving emails. I'm writing again. SMTP, the port number is 25. POP3 port number is 110. IMAP version 4 port number is 143. Okay. Small difference is there, guys. If anybody can able to tell that one, I will try to make you understand the next point. What is that point is, what is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS?
HTTPS is more secure than HTTP, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
This is more secure. Why? Because it uses encrypt the data. Very good. It encrypts the data. S means secure and this is exactly say HTTP over SSL. Okay, it's secure. Why? Because it's a data is encrypted. Whatever the data I'm sending and receiving, the data is encrypted. That's why it is secure. HTTP not secure. Not secure means data is not encrypting. Whatever the data you are sending and receiving, the data is not encrypting. For example, you are using a banking website, social media website, mail accounts. So what happened? Data is exposed to everyone. Not everyone means someone is trying to catch your data from what are you are sending and receiving. Someone is trying to catch your data, so they will know what is the data you are sending and receiving. So if it is encrypted, so they don't understand what data you are sending and receiving, so they cannot able to attack. So that's it is HTTPS. HTTP port number HTTPS 443, HTTP 80, HTTPS is 443. Okay. So port numbers it will be changes because of this RSS. Okay. The same way. So we also using this is a mail communication, right? When you are sending and receiving a mail, the mail need to be encrypted. So our SSL or TLS, the protocols port numbers will be changes. Okay. Is 465 587 or SSL TLS, the port numbers will be changed. Here it is 995 and here it is 993. Okay, 993. So port numbers also different. That is later you can verify. Next, what we can do is, so what is the difference between POP3? What is the use of POP3 and IMAP? So we'll discuss that. What is use of this POP3? As some TP for sending, but for receiving we have two protocols. Which case, which protocol will use it? Okay. Before going to that one, I will tell two things. One is how to access a mail. Okay. Accessing mails. How we are accessing mails using web browser generally. Another one is mail client applications. Example Outlook. Not only Outlook guys, there is some other applications also. So many type of applications. First one is web browser, right? First one is web browser type. So in a web browser wise, like you can go to the web browser open the link, log in, and you can able to see what are the mails you got it, and you can compose the mail, and you can send the mail. You can delete the mails, right? Like this, you can do all your management from your web browser. Okay. So what are the requirements? First is internet is required always. To access mails from your web browser, example Gmail account from Google kind of web browser, need internet connection. Need internet. Without internet, we can't access. We can access mails from anywhere and anytime. Any device also we can able to access. Anytime, anywhere, any type of device you can able to access through internet. Without internet, we can't access. So we need a web browser, we need internet connectivity, and put a URL, login, so you can able to check the mails, you can send emails, you can receive emails. The mails are always stores in mail server only, compulsory, not in your local PC. Always stores in your mail server only, not in your local PC. Okay, so this is a good thing, right? So like you have a Gmail account, anytime, anywhere, you need to carry your mobile phone, you need to carry your laptop or desktop kind of stuff. So you go to internet center also, you can able to access your mails. Good thing, right? Not always it won't work, guys, but still it is one good thing. We'll go back to that point. Okay, so we'll go back to that point. Next step. Second way. What is the second way of accessing mails using mail clients? Application. Example, Outlook. Okay. Same thing I said, to send or receive new mails, need internet. Okay. You can access mails anytime, downloaded mails anytime, with or without internet. With or without internet. Okay, so without internet we can access because of the mails are already downloaded into your local PC. Mails are downloaded into local PC, local system. Yes, this is a two ways, but in the second way and first way there is a few differences, plus or minus things. Without internet we can't access. Here already received mails, without internet we can access. We can compose mails without internet also. Anytime. With or without but there is small point is there here. So because the points are keep changing, so for that one we should know the POP3 and IMAP kind of stuff. You guys understand two ways of accessing of
Yes, sir.
mail. So you look at here. A small story it is again. POP3 to IMAP. Yeah, POP3, just one note I will tell. POP3 is like a cut and paste type. Cut and paste means once mails are downloaded into local PC, mail will be deleted from server. Once the mail is downloaded into your local PC, the mail will be downloaded. It is a single access type, single device access type, single client type, single client app or device type it is. AMAP version 4 is a different, so we can download. So it is like a copy paste. Copy paste means both side copy is there, right? So I have a file, I copy paste it to my pen drive. Means in my system that file is there and pen drive also file is there. Cut paste means in my system I have a file, I cut it and paste into a pen drive. It means in pen drive I have a file but not in my main system. So I cannot create multiple copies from it. Multiple access cannot be there. So IMAP is like a copy paste, means both the sides are there. Mails are in both server and client or a device. Mails are located in both server as well as in a client also. Okay, it is a multi-client support is there. Multiple client apps or devices having the mails. Okay. I will tell the difference once again. Okay. If you once this story we done, the story will say, guys, again mail server story. This is my mail server. If you check my Gmail account, my total Gmail means total Google Store I am getting 15 GB. Out of that one, 6.43 is already completed. Not only because of this mails, also because of Google Drive. Okay, totally they are giving 15 GB. Okay. And if you see my Outlook, this is a different email, but I am getting 50 GB, 49.5 GB total space. 1 GB already completed, so we have 48.5 GB free space is there. That is my mailbox size. Now tell me. This is a mailbox. Think like this. It's a mailbox. of user 1. Mailbox of user 1. Okay. Now, example, I am telling one simple example. User 1 mailbox size is 100 MB. Think like this. User 1 mailbox size is 100 MB. Okay. Mailbox size is just 100 MB. It's not about this. So guys, think like this. You have a 100 MB size of mailbox. So where your mail stores, you're sending mails, receiving mails, your drafts, outboxes, even spam mails, everything stores in your mailbox only. That's why it is called mailbox, not inbox. Inbox is different, mailbox is different. Your inbox contains, look at here, my inbox contain starts, knows, important, charts, sent, routes, and other categories like my deleted mails, like a bin, spam mails, everything stores in a mailbox only. Think like that. You are a huge work with your mailboxes. Means you have to keep sending a mails, and you are receiving lot of mails. The mailbox will be filled in a very less time. Mailbox will be filled in a very less time. Then what you will do? What you will do? In user system, in this local PC, what I will create? I install application like Outlook. I install first an application that is called an Outlook. Okay. To receive a mail for incoming mail purpose, I will configure with the POP3 protocol. Okay. So mail stores in local PC. I store my mails into my local PC, and I use POP3 protocol, means mails are deleted once downloaded into deleted in server once downloaded into local. Okay. So why we should do like that? Why we should trying to do this local PC? What is the problem if you are keep it in server? What is the problem? You keep it in a server. Why should we use POP3 for that one again? Anyone try it. No problem if it is wrong also. Wrong or right, don't worry about it. Mailbox will be filled in a very less time. Every 2 days mailbox is full. Even myself it has happened when I was working in an organization. Their mailbox size is initially 50 MB. So later certain changes. So they change the server and they change the configuration, little extra payment. So their client, their service provider company, means They are providing mail services to our organization that time, not 70s. So earlier one organization I worked, that is CMS. So they agree to the service provider. So the compulsory 100 MB. So now I got a 100 MB. You know, my also not only a trainer, also other duties also there as a trainer. What are there? I have to conduct a exam, modular exam, final exam. I have to conduct for the students. Okay, so each module like a hardware, CCNA, CSA, Linux, like that. Each module exam you have to conduct. Once all exams completed, then we have to conduct a final exam. So for that one, we have to scan the document. You have to send the document, and we have to send a mails that's for approving purpose. We have to send a list of people waiting for final examinations and the results like that. So what happened? What are the data I am sending? Itself, it is my mailbox is full. What are the mails I am receiving on my mailbox is full. If my mailbox is full, I cannot able to. If my mailbox is full, I can't able to send or receive a new mails. If mailbox is full, we cannot send or receive mails. Okay, we have to delete the old or not required, means certain mails are nonsense mails also there. So unused, not required mails. Okay, if mailbox is full, we cannot send an email, you can't receive an email. You have to delete the old or not required mails in order to get new mails. And new mails kind of stuff. So that's why what we are doing, we install Outlook, we configure an Outlook. So make a use POP3 protocol to retrieve mails. So we use POP3 protocol to retrieve a mail. So once mails are loaded into your local PC, downloaded into local PC, the mailbox will be cleared. Means mailbox does not store any mails. Mailbox does not store any mails. Okay. Then what is the problem with the POP3 guys? It is a single tenant. It is a kind of single tenant type. It means where is the mails once I configured Outlook, where the mails are stored? If you use if we use POP3 protocols, mails are in local PC but not in a server. So mailbox is free. Nothing is in mailbox. Nothing. So you won't get a mail directly. mail come to your mailbox to you, your local machine through Outlook. Okay. To access mails, column is the mails are located in local PC store and we cannot access mails from web browser or any other device. Okay, from any other device. It's a single tenant type. Means I have to access through my Outlook only. Okay. Anybody got any doubt? New doubt, old doubt, crossed out? No problem.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, in normal mail, if you see there are different sites, like sometimes we get spam mail. There are in spam box we will get spam mail, right, sir?
Very
So in
good.
Outlook, don't we have that type of facilities, or every mail is clean?
Very good. We have cities in Outlook also. We have archived, deleted items, sent items, drafts, conversion history, junk mails. The spam mails are junk mails, outbox, and other things. Okay. So Gmail we use spam mail. Here it is. We call it as a junk mail. Okay. Okay. Mails are in a local PC, but not in a server. Okay. Mailbox is free. Free means not free. Mailbox is mailbox not have any old mails. Does not contain any of your old mails because all mails are in your local PC. Any new mails maybe in your server. Okay. Okay. Maybe it is in server, but it will be in your local PC. What if the local PC down? Local PC is down. Maybe the disk is down. Or corrupted. So what happened to your mails? Mails are not in a server. Now the mails are in your local PC. Now it is not working. What is the solution? Okay. It is either corrupted and Microsoft is become this. Tell me, mails are not in the mail server. It is in your local PC, means in your laptop or desktop. Now your laptop or desktop is down, or maybe your hard disk is down. Okay. Your hard disk is down or corrupted. What you will do? So you cannot access the. Tell me.
Don't we have the facility called backup?
Very good, very good. That's the answer. Okay. So we lost mails, right? We lost the mails. So what we do? Take backup regularly. Compulsory. You must take the backup regularly. Okay. So how to take the backup? So I will show you that screenshot. Okay. Go to the file, open export, select this import and export. Okay. Select that import and export. Okay. We can write on it, but I don't. It's not a good idea. It is. Okay, you have to go to this export. So what is the next one? Click on this import and export. Select export to a file. So I have to cover so much of things. That is select export to a file now, Harlan. Okay, again, take a print screen. So this time definitely do crop. It is export to a file. Export to a file. Next, select this option. What is the next step? Select this PST. Okay. Next. This is a common, so export file in box, including all subfolders. It is taking a long time. This is a screen snippet. Even that is also not required, guys. In Microsoft, we have a lot of kind of stuff, including screen snippet. We got it, got it, got it. Not with the much editing options. Screen snip, paste. See this? This is next step. The next one is you have to give the location. Give the location and select any one of these options. That's the problem. Give some name or something here and give it here. First, second, third, fourth. Okay. First, second, third, fourth. Guys, this is how to take a backup. And we should take backup regularly and store in different device. Okay, not in same hard disk again, not in the same hard disk again. So that is important for a okay. So this is the POP3, guys. So when we have generally small mailboxes based on the server and the client configuration, based on the mainly server side. So server side, it should be POP3 should be enabled. POP3 should be enabled. I will show you that POP3 enabled in a Gmail account is also there. See all accounts. Okay. So forward kind of stuff. Okay. This is enough. See, this is a POP3. This is IMAP. Which one you want it? Which one you want it? And see this different client supporting kind of stuff. This one I need. Don't share any document to anyone, guys. That is important. Okay, so you can see POP3 and a server kind of stuff. In Gmail, POP3 and IMAP enable or disable access. Where are we? Forget. one more, 2-3 things we have to complete. One is I told about POP3, why POP3 is important, and why IMAP is important. That is next one. Okay. Why IMAP? Why IMAP? First one is about IMAP. IMAP mails are stored always. Mails are stored in server and client. Application means your local PC also. Okay. If mailbox size and based on server, mail server, if mailbox size and based on the mail server, if mailbox size and based on mail server, so we can choose. Okay. Oh, sorry, I just disconnected from my mind. If mailbox is big enough, we can choose IMAP is good. Of course, it's based on mail server. Okay, so it's not ours. It is always based on the mail servers. Okay, I didn't give in what are the mail server list. So I will give you that mail server list also. Okay, next. User can access mails from web browser, Outlook, or any other application and devices from anywhere and any time also. It is called a multi-client type. It means my mails are stored in my mail server. This is users mailbox. I want to access mails from different clients. Okay. Okay, for example, this is user accessing a mails using web browser, Google Mail, for example, Google Chrome, like web browser. You know, Gmail app in mobile, Gmail app. Maybe it's accessing with the
Yes, sir.
Outlook. Okay, Outlook. Gmail app is the best example for Outlook, guys. you are getting a mails, you don't need to open any browser, login not required, right? So you open, you give a username, password once. Once it is configured, you can send a mail and you can receive a mail. It's the same concept of Outlook. Okay. Any other applications? Same mail we can able to access. So problem with this one, always go and select kind of stuff on. Paintbrush is best because paintbrush having a all painting sideways. So we're all getting same mails from mailbox. This mailbox can be accessible anytime, anywhere, kind of stuff. Your mails are stored in your local device or local PC. You can access from without internet also. So you want to access through web browser, you need internet. So you want to access from Gmail app without internet also, the received or downloaded mails you can able to access. Okay, multiple client applications you can able to use it. So this is the difference between POP3 and IMAP. I'm adding one line here, guys. We have a different mail server. I said mail server, mail server. So what are the mail servers we have? What is the mail server? Mail server provide a mail services to the clients. That is Gmail. This is okay. Whatever it is, yes. Guys. Mail server provide a mail services. Different mail servers are there. Exchange, Microsoft Exchange application, that is a mail server. Zimbra, SquirrelMail, Dovecot, Postfix, like that. So many type of mail servers are there. Now, once upon a time, I dealing with this HCL, your batches only, but so many days back that really we configure this IBM Domino mail server and a Lotus mail client application. See, IBM mail server is Domino mail server, client application is Lotus client. This is now in the hand of HCL. Okay, earlier it is IBM's, now it is HCL's. Domino is a mail server, HCL node or Lotus node is a mail client application. So this is what I am trying to say. Different type of mail servers. And once again, two, 3 points are there, guys. That's then I will give you a break, a small break. Okay. So better to give some color, thick color, not a black color. Give some blue color. This is Microsoft. Okay. Next, guys. What is an Outlook mail client application? It's a client side. And who is the server? Server can be any mail servers, any type of mail server. So what is the use of mail servers? It provides mail services. It has the storage of mails into the mail boxes in the mail servers. Okay. Whenever users send a mail, the mail goes to that to address mail server. Okay. To address that mail recipient. Their mailboxes, mail will be there. User has to access mail from mailbox. To communicate in the mail communication, we are using three protocols: SMTP protocol, POP3, and IMAP version 4 protocols. SMTP protocol uses to send a mail and it is telling what is their outgoing mails, outgoing purpose. You want to retrieve a mail, you have to send a request. So either POP3 request or IMAP request to retrieve a mail means to check your mails. What are the mails you got it? To do that one, so it is the request is either POP3 or IMAP. POP3 is a cut paste type, IMAP is copy paste type. Not exactly, but just for our understanding. Okay. So IMAP, so mails are stored in both server, client applications. You can access with any device. From browser you can access, from client application you can access the mails. Anytime, anywhere, any device you can able to access. POP3 is not like that. It's a single client application type. Once mails are downloaded into your local PC or local device, the mails will be deleted from server. It depends upon server configuration. Where you use a POP3, most of the cases where the mailboxes are small in sizes, we prefer POP3. Okay. So where we use IMAP, so mailboxes are big enough to store the mails, lot of size, big size mailboxes like a 10 GB, 20 GB, 50 GB, 100 GB mailboxes. So no problem, you can use IMAP version 4. So you can use multiple client application to access your mails anytime, anywhere. Okay. If you use a POP3, mails are stored into your local PC. If local PC got damaged or a disk is corrupted, so you cannot able to retrieve a mail. So what is the thing you have to do it? So go to try to back up the mail. Okay, try to back up the mail. How to do it? Go to simple, open and export, import and export, and select export to a file. Select Outlook data files, and select next. Then choose right option here. Replace duplicate items exported. Yellow duplicate items to be exported. Do not export duplicate items and store in a different location. So what is three locations? We'll discuss that one. In a server also, it should be enabled. Either your POP3 is enabled, then you can access with POP3. IMAP is enabled, then you can access with IMAP. Not only Outlook, there is other mail client applications also there. Okay. Next, which option you have to select, guys? Replace means that explanation. First option is replace, means in your storage you have a backup file, Outlook backup file. So it is around 1 GB now today. So in main system in your PC, Your Outlook data file is 1 GB. You taken a backup. So in your backup location, it occupy 1 GB. Now, next week on Friday again, you have taken a backup, or daily you have taking a backup. Now this size is increased. So size increases to 1.5 GB. Now you can take in a backup 1.5 GB. So what happened? What happened, guys? Someone is asking a doubt, or I am ignoring? Okay. See, look at here. My main data is 1.5 GB only, but at a remote location it become 2.5 GB because already 1 GB I have taken. Again, other GB taken. So instead of that one, replace duplicate items. Replace duplicate items. It means your backup, whenever you take in a second backup, the first backup will gone and second backup will be there. So like that we can maintain. Yellow backup means 1 GB, 1.5 GB, 1.25 GB. So say it will be keep increases in your data. Here so many files will be created and lot of space will be occupied. Okay. So do not export duplicate items, means if both files are same name, it won't export. Okay. Replace duplicate items, allow duplicate items, do not export duplicate items. These are the export and import. That is what we discussed, guys. I said now there is a few more points before going to the next. Guys, understand up to here what we discussed?
Yes, sir.
So in Outlook, so we are using Outlook, right? Outlook. Outlook downloads mails into local PC or local device or a local system. Download local PC, stores in mails stores in local PC. Mails are stored in a local PC. Where it will stores? Where it will stores and which format? Where it will stores and which format? Always where it stores. In local PC, okay, which path it is? What is the path? Location. Location. And in which format? In which format? Okay. So these two things we'll see. Guys, already in my Outlook, one of the mail is already Gmail account is configured. Okay. So I am showing this. Go to File. This is account settings. Click here, account setting, account setting. This is my email ID and this is my Outlook data files location. Okay, this is the location. This is the location. I click on open file location. Open file location. So then it will show us the path. This is the location of my Outlook. Just for example. Just for example, it's not always same. Okay, it is not always same. Okay, it is not always same. Just for example, This can be so location. So mostly it is look like that. In which format? What is my file format? .ost. My file format is, it's a 159 GB file, Outlook data file. It is .ost. Okay. So what format it is? .ost or .pst also there. Okay. .ost or .pst is there. Offline storage table. Offline storage table. Personal storage table. Personal storage table. Okay. So when we got a OST, when we will get a PST. If the mail server is Microsoft Exchange or Office 365 Exchange, data store in .ost. Mine is Microsoft Office 365 Exchange. So then mine data store is .ost. .pst mail server other than Microsoft Exchange, other than Microsoft Exchange. Okay, so that's the point, guys. So okay, so you want to know how to go to this link, so then it looks like a good one, but not completely good one. This is important, not the screenshot. Okay, guys, understand what is a PST, OST? Hmm? No one is talking. How many points are available? So once how to configure Outlook, I'm not telling that one. So I told about protocol, what is Outlook and what is mail server, what is protocols, SMTP, POP3 and IMAP version 4, and how to access the mails, what is use of POP3 and how to take a backup. So this is a backup purpose. Okay, so these are all for a backup purpose. Okay, so you want me to write on it also, I will try. This is for a backup. Okay, Outlook backup. So the remaining backup steps. These are also backups. Okay. IMAP, I explained. So next one I explained about a .pst, .ost. So important things about Outlook, another one guys. So just I will tell and give you a break, but no one is talking. I thought no one is understanding. I'm keep repeating same thing and again and again. What is the difference between two CC carbon copy? CC means carbon copy. BCC. Next one is mail rules. That is important. Mails rules are important. Okay. So what are the mail rules kind of stuff? Is simple here somewhere you can able to see that rules. Yeah. This is rules. Manage rules and elect rules. Guys, these are the rules I created. What is these rules? If I received any mail in the mail subject contains birthday or happy birthday, where is the birthday things? Birthday or happy birthday or service anniversaries all goes to birthday folder. It is under inbox only, but separately stores under birthday folder. If I receive any mails like a congratulations, this guy or this person got H20 visa in a subject and from the mail ID called H20 70s. Now it is not there, process is not there now. Okay, so if I got it, so then it will go to H20. If I receive any HR related mails from the HR mail ID and HR 70s, from HR 70, move to the HR 70s. Like this, I created a certain roles. When I receive a new mail, so my system will give some notification, alarm kind of stuff. That is also I configured here. But how to create it? So just simply click on new roles, stay organized, stay up to date, create a rule blank rule, create a blank rule. Okay, so like that you can create it. Onto it, I just don't want to connect. One second. So if I put like that, then it is. One second, close it. This is good. These are the rules, guys. Okay, these are the rules. This is rules. New rule. Stay organized, stay up to date, create a rule from blank. Okay, these are the mail rules, and also understand difference between 2CC and BCC. Okay, BCC means blind carbon copy. These things you try, and this is just short, but these things you practice. That's it for your Outlook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So what you do? So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Actually, I want to tell what is that? VPN also, but no one is speaking against this. You guys are stop speaking. That's the problem. Understand anything? Any doubts in Outlook?
No, sir.
That's the good thing. Okay.
No, sir.
Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can you send me the recorded video?
Recorded video. I will